My name is Juliana Big, an international coach and an empowered consumer. If you keep on doing what you always do, you will keep on having the same results. For centuries, a lot have changed and evolved around us. From the way we listen to music, to the way we are able to communicate, or the way we go up the floors of the building. Everybody wants the fastest and easiest way in doing things for better results. But what makes others stuck in their financial situation right now is their source of income. They are doing the same exact thing that is being done centuries ago. If you want to arrive fast in your destination, which will you choose? Walking, driving a car, or riding a plane? Riding a plane, right? So when it comes to earning money, others will choose finding a job with educational background, 5 years experience, and skills requirements. Others will decide putting up their own traditional businesses with high capital and high competition risk. While most of the people right now will be engaged in the new trend, which is the empowered consumerism. Empowered consumerism is a chance to provide our consumers an opportunity to become entrepreneurs. We are consumers every time we buy products, food, airtime, drugs, or anything that makes us spend for it than earn from it. Through the empowered consumerism, we make you earn discounts, incentives through travels, rebates, and bonuses out of consuming our products and empowering others through our system and services. Through your asset of sharing, we give you an equal chance to have an extraordinary results. Empowered consumerism have been proven faster results to those people who have been doing it for the past years. Even to me, from fast food worker to becoming a teacher and now as an empowered consumer. So how to do it? The first thing you need to do is to buy our Empowered Consumerism package that contains marketing materials and business manuals, daily and weekly payout that can be given to you through checks or BDO International ATM. A chance to travel in different parts of the world, especially in Asia. Free online trainings, products worth $300 to $4,000 all for you, and a mentor that will guide you every step of the way. In short, you are about to do this with a sure team support and the ready-made system. What's next after buying the Easy package? Number 1, learn. Learn about the products and its benefits and how to do the Easy system. Number 2 is share. We are living in a shared economy where technology helps us to monetize assets, products, and services being shared to others. Share the benefits that you are experiencing and the opportunities to others. Let's say, for example, Uber or Grab. There's a passenger who needs a ride and through your app, he gets connected to a vehicle for his transport. You get monetized and earn becoming the bridge. You will do the same in our system. In the empowered consumerism, you will be able to share this opportunity for those individuals who have big dreams, who are in need of our products and services, and to those individuals who want to become entrepreneurs. Through this act of sharing, you will earn and get monetized for a total of $36 up to $900 per day. Number 3 is connect. This is the amazing part because in your journey, you will not be doing it alone up until you're ready. Every time that there are people who wants to do this Easy system with you, all you have to do is to connect them to your mentor and we will help them establish their own Easy system. Number 4 is earn. There are a lot of ways for you to earn in our empowered consumerism system. The first that I will discuss to you is the direct selling bonus. Once joined, you are entitled to have 25 to 50% discounts on all our products. So if you choose to sell it, you will also be gaining 25 to 50% profit out of every product sold. Another ways of earning is the direct referral bonus. Every people that buys Easy Package through you from all over the world, you will be earning this amount as a direct referral bonus. So imagine if you have 10 people that bought Easy Packages from different parts of the world, then that means you will be earning a total of this amount as your direct referral bonus up to infinity. Next is the pairing bonus. You will just be creating your left group and your right group, which we will help you establish in your first stage. And the formula of this is very simple. Every time that there's an Easy Package that enters your left group and an Easy Package that enters your right group, you will be given a total of this amount as your pairing bonus. So imagine if you have unending people that joins you every single day and buys the Easy Packages every single day, then you will keep on earning the pairing bonus, pairing bonus, pairing bonus, pairing bonus. So you will be enjoying a total of this amount as your daily income. If you sum it up, this pairing bonus income alone can make you earn this amount daily, this amount weekly, and this amount every single month, every time that there are people who buys Easy Packages. Amazing, right? The best part of our Empowered Consumerism compensation plan is the passive income that you will enjoy 3 times fold. All of those consumers and entrepreneurs that we have built and established under you, you will enjoy unending bonuses every time they use our products, share our products, buy our products, and empower others to do the same. From the Unit level bonus, UniPay plan, and our stair-step system. All in all, this is an interloop earning system where you will be earning multiple times just by doing one thing, which is to share. You will earn millions and billions from this empowered compensation plan. So looking at the return of investments, the earning potentials, and the easy sharing and connecting system, how much do you think all of this costs? You won't spend $1 billion or you won't spend $1 million. You can start buying this Empowered Consumerism package for only... In business, earning million means you have to start millions of investment. But in our easy system, you don't have to start $1 million just to earn million. Every Easy Package that you buy is equivalent to owning one store that earns a total potential income of this amount every single day. The good news is, you can buy and be entitled to own up to 15 Easy Packages. That means owning up to 15 stores that earns 15 times, earning this amount monthly and a total of this amount yearly. Watching this video right now is not an accident. Knowing the person who introduced this opportunity to you is a blessing. Because I know back then, you have been praying for an opportunity to uplift your life, uplift your family's life, others' life, or address your health and wellness concern. The Empowered Consumerism is a new way for you to experience the financial freedom and the time freedom for you and your family, so that you can enjoy the extraordinary life that is happening right now to us and the millions of consumers and entrepreneurs that is doing this system. To end this, I suggest go back to the one who sent this video to you and start doing Empowered Consumerism now.